Welcome to the second day of the International Conference. Let's see what we've got in store for you today.
You're live on the field after a big day one out there. How'd you feel about the performance?
You know, day one was strong. Team showed up, executed the sessions, made a lot of big plays. Couldn't ask for a better start. Now we reset, refocus, and kick off day two with Elliott Vigil. Looking to close this conference out with a W.
Bring questions like your job depends on it, because it might.
One up here over the freeway got a high priority subject racing to get here on time. Word is AWS guest presenter Milan McGraw is bringing the cloud with him. We'll keep you updated. You do not want to miss this one.
Here in the kitchen with the chef behind the world's greatest conference. It's the last day, and he's putting the finishing touches on his recipe for success.
Oh, yes. Day one, day two, good coffee, new friends. You let it bake real nice. IC25 comes out perfect.
We're live at the fair with one of our big IC25 prize winners. You cleaned up? What's the secret?
Easy. Show up for closing remarks. That's when the prizes drop.
You heard it. Be there, and you might leave with all this. The start of our final day here at IC25. Stick around. Closing remarks and prize giveaways are still to come.